Hello students, today we are going to discuss inverse of a matrix and linear equation. So what is this chapter? Let's see. In previous video we have solved some questions regarding exercise 5.1 and today we are going to solve some next questions. So what is the next question? 6. What is the question number 6? It is a if matrix A equal 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 then prove that A inverse equal A cube. A inverse equal A cube. Now we have to solve this question. Okay, so this is question A inverse equal A cube. So how can we solve? Let's see. Firstly, when we are going to prove that, we have to find first A inverse. So we can solve it by other method also, but we can do directly is a method board described in board classes. So it is when we are just going to multiply, look at here, A is equal 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, and what about here, and it is A inverse equal A cube. It means A inverse into A equal A to the power 4, means A to the power 3 into A. So we can say that it is A inverse into A means I equal A to the power 4. Now what about here? We have to prove only A to the power 4. What about the A? A square means A into A. It means 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, and it is multiplied by itself 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. So what about here? It is 1 minus 2 1 minus 2, and what about here? It is a minus 1, and it is plus 1 1 minus 2 1 minus 1, and minus minus plus it is 1. What about here? It is a 2, and it is minus 2 2 and minus 2. What about here? It is a minus 2 and it is 2. So students, what is the value? It is a minus 1 0 0. It is a minus 2 plus 2, it is a 0, minus 2 and it is 2. Okay, so it is minus 1 comma 0. So now it is a matrix. Now we are going to multiply it. A square A to the power 4 means A square into A square. So what about here? It is minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0 0. It is a minus 2 and minus 2 minus 2, and it is plus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1, so it is minus 1. Okay, so it is 0 comma minus 1, and it is minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1. Now take minus from here and minus from here, so we can say that negative sign is overlapping. So it is 1 0 0 1, and it is 1 0 0 1. What is the multiplication of it? A to the power 4 means 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. It means it is 1 into 1 1, and it is 0, and it is 0, and it is 0. What about here? It is 0, and it is 0, and it is 0 plus 1. So we can say that it is 1 0 0 1. So students, what about here? A to the power 4 equal I. So we can say that this is your answer. So by this method you can solve it easily. I equal A to the power 4. So you can solve this question by directly. A equal 504 232 1 to 1 and B inverse equal, it is given 133, 143, 134. It is a B inverse. Then find AB whole inverse. AB whole inverse. So students, when we have to find AB whole inverse, we know that when we have to find AB whole inverse, then we know that AB whole inverse equal B inverse A inverse. So it is the formula of solution. AB whole inverse means B inverse A inverse. So B inverse is already given and we have to find A inverse. So A is given, that is 5 0 4 2 3 2 1 2 1. It is given. Okay, it is given, A is given. Now we have to find determinant of A. Determinant of A means 5 multiply by plus minus plus. So look at here, it is a 3. So it is a 5, it is a 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, it is a 0, minus 0, and it is always 0, plus 4, and it is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So determinant of A equal 5 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1. So it is minus 5 plus 4. So we can say that it is minus 1. So determinant of A is equal to minus 1. So students, the value of determinant of A is minus 1. Now we have to find, we have to create a determinant. So determinant of A equal 5 0 minus 4 5 0 4 2 3 2 1 2 1. Now we have to find cofactors of it. So f11 means it is a 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4. So we can say that it is minus 1. What about the f12? f12 means it is a 2. We are going to find with respect to this. So we can say that it is a 2. 2 minus 2. So it is 0. f13, it means we are going to find with this. So it is a 4 minus 3. It is a 1. What about the f21? f21 means we are going to find with this. So we can say that 0 into 1, it is a 0, and 2 into 4, it is minus 8. So we can say that it is a position is 2 1, means it is a odd number. So we can say that we have to use negative sign before it. So it is 8. We are going to find with respect to this. So it is 0 minus 8. Okay. f22 means we have to find with this. So 5 into 1, it is a 5. 5 into 1 minus 4, 5 minus 4. So it is a 1. f22 is a 1. f23 means we have to find with respect to this. So this and this is removed. So it is a 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0, it is but it is, position is a 2 plus 3. So we can say that it is minus 10. Okay, what is the f31? f31 means we are going to find with respect to this. So this and this is removed. 0 minus 12. It is minus 12. f32, it means we are going to find with respect to this. This and this is removed. So it is a 10 minus 8. This, so we can say that it is 10 this line and this line is removed, so it is a 10 minus 8, so it is 2, but it is a position is odd number, so we are using negative sign before it, so it is minus 2. What about here? It is a 15, F33, it is a 15 minus 0, so it is a 15. So these are cofactors, and now Fij means it is a minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 1, minus 10, minus 12, minus 2, 15. Look at here, this is the Fij. Okay, so Fij is here. Fij is minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 1, minus 10, and minus 12, minus 2, and 15. Now it is a Fij. Now we have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, it means it is a minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 1, minus 10, minus 12, minus 2, and 15. And it's we have completed minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 1, minus 10, and minus 12, minus 2, and 15. It is adjoint of A. Now what we have to do, let's see here, we have to find A inverse. A inverse means adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Means determinant of A is minus 1 and the adjoint of A is minus 1, 8, minus 12, minus 1, 8, minus 12, 0, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 10, and 15. So just do the multiply it. It is a 1, minus 8, 12, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 10, and minus 15. So this is the A inverse. This is the A inverse. Now we have to multiply B inverse to A inverse. So it is A inverse. Now we have to multiply them also. So now we are going. B inverse is 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, and it is multiplied by 1, minus 8, 12, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 10, minus 15. So just do it, just do the multiply. So what about here? It is 1, 0, minus 3. Okay, next is minus 8, minus 3, it is a 30, it is a 12, it is a 6, minus 45. What about here? 1, 0, minus 3, 1, minus 8, minus 4, and 30. It is 12, it is a 8, it is a minus 45, it is a 1, it is a 0, and it is minus 4. One, 0, minus 4. What about here? It is a 12, it is a minus 8, it is a minus 3, and it is 40. It is a 12, and it is 6, and it is minus 60. So students, what are the values? It is a minus 2, it is a minus 11 and there is a 30, so we can say that it is 19. Next one is a 12 and 6 and it is 18 minus 45, so we can say that it is minus 27. What about here 1 minus 3, so it is minus 2. It is a 8 minus 4 minus 12, so it is 18 and minus 25. So what about here 1 is a 1 minus 4, so we can say that it is minus 3. It is a 29. And what about here, it is a 18 minus 60, so we can say that it is minus 42. So students, this is the value of AB whole universe is a minus 2, 19, minus 27, minus 2, 18, 25, minus 25 and minus 3, 29 and minus 42. So this is the value of question number 7. Now we are going to solve next question, that is if A equal 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha and 1, then prove that A transpose into A transpose into A inverse equal cos 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha and it is cos 2 alpha. A transpose into A inverse equal cos 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha. This is the value. Now we are going to solve this question. Let's see how can we solve. We have to prove this. Okay, now we are going to solve this question. So just look at here, it is a is 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha and it is 1. So determinant of A is equal to 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha, it is 1. So determinant of A equal 1 plus tan square alpha. It is determinant of A and 1 plus tan square alpha. Minus minus plus, okay, so 1 plus tan square alpha. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, but we have to, we are saying that it is a same way. We are not going to change it. Okay, so this is a 1 plus tan square alpha. Now what we have to do, this LHS is A transpose and A. Okay, so we are going to find A transpose also. A transpose means A is a 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha and it is 1. So it is a transpose, so we can say A transpose equal 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha and it is 1. Okay, it is a transpose. Now we have find this and this. Now we have to find A inverse. A inverse means adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Now determinant of A we already find, and adjoint of A is we are going to find. Okay, so what is the adjoint of A? Let's see here. It is given that A equal 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha and it is 1. So we are going to find f11 means it is, we are going to find cofactor, so it is a 1, f12, so it is a f12, so we can say that it is minus 10. We are going to find f12, so we can say that it is minus 10 alpha, but it is a 1 plus 2, so we are using positive sign. F21 means F21 means we are using, it is 10 alpha, but we are using negative sign before it. And F22 means it is 1. Now Fij is the matrix with cofactor, so it is a 1, tan alpha, minus tan alpha, and 1. Now adjoint of A means we have to do the transpose of it. So it is 1, tan alpha, minus tan alpha, and 1, and its transpose. So it is 1, tan alpha, minus tan alpha, and it is 1. So now what we have to do, we have to multiply A transpose into A inverse. So what about the A inverse? A inverse means A inverse is 1 upon A. 1 upon determinant of A means 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha, and it is 1 minus tan alpha 1. So what is it invisible area or not? Okay, so it is we are going to find A transpose into A inverse. It means A transpose is 1 minus tan alpha, and it is tan alpha, and it is 1, and it is multiplied by A inverse. A inverse means 1 minus tan alpha, and it is tan alpha, and it is 1, and just do the multiply by 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, so it is 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha multiplied with 1 into 1 minus tan alpha plus tan alpha. It is 1 into 1, and it is minus tan square alpha. Okay, 1 minus tan square alpha. What about here? It is a minus tan alpha, and it is minus tan alpha. What about here? It is a tan alpha, and it is tan alpha. It is a minus tan square alpha and plus 1. So students, what are the steps? Now just do the multiply it. So we can say 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha, and it is minus 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. And what about here? It is a 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha, and it is 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. So you know very well that it is a formula of cos 2 alpha. It is a minus sin 2 alpha. Okay, it is a sin 2 alpha, and it is a cos 2 alpha. So students, this is a proof. This is a cos 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha, and cos 2 alpha. By this way, this is the RHS. So hence proved, we have successfully solved question number 8. It is sufficient for today. Please subscribe Abel Online for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.